Hey guys, so another artwork that I'm explaining how I made it. This one isn't fully perfect. In fact, I would say it's one of the weaker ones out of my recent art style, but it is still passable. So I thought I'd share my thought process here. So in terms of looking for a reference, I didn't really have much of one for this particular artwork. I was actually just doing my typical top camera angle looking down on the character, and for the most part I can just kind of do that one from scratch. I've done it so much that it's just kind of easy for me at this point. Actually, I would like to talk about the thing I made a mistake on in this particular artwork. So this will be fun looking back at the finished artwork so you can see where I messed up. The arm on the camera's right, like our right, looking at her. It just kind of appears underneath the breast. Like, I guess technically the way I drew it is possible, but it's awkward, like crazy awkward. Looking back at it, I really should have fixed that. It wasn't really correct, but even though I shared the issue, I don't think people would be able to identify it straight away, but I thought I'd share it anyways, because honestly, it's kind of fun sharing my mistakes, because I feel if people are aware of the mistakes I make, they won't feel so intimidated by the mistakes that they make. It doesn't matter what level you get at artwork, you will at some point make a mistake. And that never really goes away, and honestly, that should be embraced. It's also a big reason why people who don't draw, who are anti-AI, tend to call artists who don't use AI as ones who do. Because the reality is, mistakes are human, and the only reason AI made so much mistakes was because it couldn't figure out what was intentional versus what was unintentional. And it eventually figured out what it's supposed to do. It's still not perfect, but there is a huge difference between human imperfection and computer imperfection. And sometimes to the untrained eye, that's really hard to figure out. What is unintentional human error versus computer error? Because computer error samples what it sees. Human error replicates it incorrectly. It's hard for me to explain. Like, the best way I can put it for you, to kind of put it into words, is AI can perfectly replicate a single image, but a human being can't. Because it's sampling, it's not actually learning, it's not true thought. But when it has a large sample size, it can start to interpret things from everything, and then kind of make up its own based off of what it has seen before. And some people will say, well, that's how artists do it. The difference is, artists have to have a mechanical side to their brain, right? Actually, there is an opinion that a lot of people don't agree with that I can see some valid points on. And oddly enough, it comes from a YouTuber I don't watch that much. Because sometimes the things he says can be crazy, like, controversial. But he had a solid point about AI. Artists who are going to be replaced by AI kind of, I don't even know how to word it, because the way he worded it wasn't fantastic either. But it is true that AI is going to replace some jobs. It's a horrible truth, and it's something we have to come to terms with. If we don't adapt as artists, if we don't develop something completely for us and something that isn't unique, it's the best way I can put it is the only issue I have with AI versus human beings is I don't have a problem when a human being replicates or learns my style, because I don't think anyone should own a style. The only difference is I want someone to put in the hard work to replicate what I have, because that is worth something. If somebody puts all of my artwork through AI and then just takes it that's a completely different thing, because that's not a case of somebody learning something or a machine learning it. It's just copying it and sampling it. It literally has to take it and keep it forever in its data to use it. And it's like, then everybody can do it without putting in the work. And though the legality on that is up in the air, the reality is we can't stop it. And I didn't mean for this to turn into kind of a weird soapbox about AI, but I do think it's important that we come to terms with the fact that it's not going to go away, and that legislation is going to take a long time to catch up. That's the thing with the tech industry. It's do it now, ask for forgiveness later. It's always been the MO of tech companies. You know, if you're do it quickly before legislation catches up. And the thing is about tech is it moves fast and legislation moves slow. I mean, heck, they're just now even noticing the loot box thing in things like FIFA games. So we are going to be dealing with a lot of trials and tribulations as artists, and I understand the frustration. Early on, when AI was becoming a thing, I was distraught. But I've kind of made my peace with it. And maybe I shouldn't, but I totally have. I don't blame people for wanting to use AI over a human being, because artists can be incredibly lazy online. I myself struggle to meet deadlines. And that's mainly because I would overwork myself. I would bring on a load and work that's too much while still trying to create artwork for social media. And that is completely my fault. And to be fair, if someone wants to go with AI over me, that is my fault, not their fault. If they can get something cheaper, better looking, even if, in my opinion, it's not better looking, if it's better looking in their opinion, then that's on me. I didn't make something good enough for that person. Now, personally, the people you lose commissions to for AI are typically not going to be the people that were going to commission you in the first place. For the most part, people want something handmade by a human being. Typically, like, artistry is seen as like, wow, a human being spent hours of their day to make this. And that matters to some people. Not to everyone, but it matters to some. So my advice for the inspiring artists out there is just hone, develop your craft. Don't stress about art and AI. I see a lot of artists say that they want to make a living off of their work. And this is my personal experience with that. Don't make a living off of your art. I'm serious. Seriously. Do anything but that. Doing art for a living sucks the joy out of it. It ruins. It becomes sterile. It becomes corporate. In my opinion, the moment you start making art for someone else, and it's not from your own inspiration, it becomes just as hollow as the AI. Now, you put more work into it than the AI did, but I'm gonna be honest in saying that not everyone is built for art as a job. I would argue 95% of online artists should not be doing it for a living. And it's the reason why I've chosen not to do it for a living, because I'm not in that random 5% that is like responsible, good, talented, and doesn't get burnt out by it. So you can test the waters and find out if you are built for that. But I'm going to be 100% honest with you, you're probably not. Most people aren't. You're going to overwork yourself, you're going to be making pennies on the dollar, or you're going to charge so much that people are going to laugh at you. It's a horrible, horrible career online. And if you're gonna make something, make it for you. If maybe you want a little bit of extra pocket change and you're okay with taking on a little bit of work, you can give it a shot. But my honest advice to you is, don't worry about AI. Focus on yourself. Do it because you love it. And please, 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 if you're going to go down the artist route to learn how to draw and do it, please do it because you love it and not because you want to succeed in the online space. Because ever since AI became a thing, it has become an incredibly difficult market. I was lucky that I got a small head start before the AI boom, and I kind of figured out how online stuff worked. The sad part is, a lot of these AI people are actually just artists that are being lazy. And that's been my rambly video that somehow turned into a mess of AI. So, sorry again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.